bunch of stuff came in from Amazon. Yeah, I pre-opened this one because I didn't know what the heck this giant box was. I wasn't expecting this to be shipped via Amazon. You can hear my guinea pigs talking to me. But this is like just recovery gear from Gear America. I got it in a little. This is not sponsored in any manner, but I got it because it was made in the USA. It was a little bit more pricey, and it's cheaper than a winch and winch set. So, yeah, I got that. I'm gonna need a partner in crime to help me with that. But, you know, whatevs. And I have this box, which I have not opened, and my knife is missing. And you got a box made in China right after I bought something made in America, specifically because it was made in America. This should be a nut rivet gun. Is that the proper term for it? Get it out one-handed. Oops. Anyways, yeah. Nut rivet gun. I don't know what you would call it. One more package. Drill bit. 16 millimeter. Where's the other drill bit? It's supposed to have a 7 millimeter drill bit too. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I probably could have just gotten like a 1/4 inch. So I got a package from Lucky 8. Pretty sure I know what it is. Snorkel kit. Always wanted one of these. Oh, wow, 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 wow. They have to go all the way through, right? That just makes sense. That was something that I absolutely had to do. Okay, today we're going to install the Terra Firma raised intake on an LR3. All you need to do that is a set of Allen heads. This is a 16 millimeter drill bit, and if I remember right, this is 2464. Let me look. 2364s. Now, if you look at the kit tells you to use a 7 millimeter. 7 millimeter won't work. I tried. And then you need one of these. It's like a nut rivet gun thing. And of course, a drill and a way to pull the trim off from the passenger or the right side of the vehicle. The trim that goes next to the window. If you look here, the metal bracket that I'm installing right here, there's two different of those brackets inside the bag that ships with it. One of those is for the LR3 and the other one's for the LR4. Just match it up to the port on the side of your car, and that'll tell you which one to use because the instructions don't specifically say. Goes. Just wait. That's all I can do for now. I have to wait for the drill bit and the nut rivet gun to come in to finish this. Alright. Should already be a clip of me pre-marking these holes and how I did it. Then here you're going to drill out for 7mm. How is this supposed to fit in here? This is too small. They tell you they wanted you to use a 7mm, but that 7mm isn't going to work. In the hole. You should just have to. Hopefully, didn't ruin it because it's in there forever. Let's see if I can get a little better on this one. Squeeze. Screw it. The next thing you're gonna do is get attacked by a tripod. The instructions aren't really clear about this, but you need to remove this molding right here. Now you should have it marked where you're gonna have to drill it out. But you're gonna remove the molding, which I think you just pull it. Let's find out together. Bust out my cheap non-marring tools. There we go. I think I broke something. Yep, I'm gonna have to get some fasteners. Oh well. There goes another one. There goes another one. Drill bit broken there. Oh well. Being structural, I'm less than impressed. Alright, so the next thing is to put this window trim cover back on. And just hope I have the hole in the right place, because I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. Already RTV'd that O-ring on there and everything. Where it needs to be. Well, hot duty it is. So right here, the installation was pretty straightforward. You just run the screws into the those nuts, the rivet nuts that you'd installed earlier. I used a little bit of RTV on the washers just out of paranoia. And I don't plan on driving this thing through deep water, but I wanted it there anyways. I wanted it to be as weather sealed as possible. I even cut a little gasket for myself that I put in between the metal bracket and then the actual body. And I have no idea if it's going to make things worse or better, but like I said, I really don't plan on driving it through deep water. I just like the look. Big question is, does the door open without hitting it? Oh yeah. Alright. How to put the last piece on. Alright, some final thoughts on this Terra Firma snorkel kit. The kit itself wasn't really that difficult to install, but there are some issues that you're going to have to make sure that you pay attention to. It asks for the wrong size drill bit. It asks for a 7mm, and you ended up needing that 23rd, 64th, I believe is what it was. The holes aren't drilled all the way through for the part that actually drills into the body of the truck. And when you drill that out enough to where you can actually run the screws through there and through everything properly, it actually breaks out into the airbox. And the instructions aren't really completely clear when it comes to taking off the window trim. And also doesn't tell you that that metal piece that I messed with in the beginning, it's different for the LR3 versus the LR4. It would have been nice if they'd actually had some written language inside there instead of just the pictures to make things a little bit more clear, but this way I can see how it would be more universal language-wise. But other than that, I really like this kit so far. It looks good, it's held on properly. Just pay attention to what you're doing so you don't break stuff, because once you drill a hole into your car, you've drilled a hole into your car, so you really need to be paying attention to what you're doing. So that's it. That's all I got for today. Catch you guys next time. Bye.